Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. Now for today's video, we're going to be covering Kings Entertainment, specifically an exciting acquisition they just closed in relation to Braai AI. Now we've got a lot to talk about in today's video, but before we get into it, please take a second, hit the like button, you guys. It's a big help to myself and the channel. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join. And let me know in the comment section below if you're currently holding shares of Kings Entertainment, what you thought about this acquisition, and your go-forward outlook for this stock moving forward. Now with that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we're going to be talking about Kings Entertainment Group Incorporated. This one's really exciting for a number of reasons. First, if you look at the share price here, you guys, this is sub 10 cents. So this is a true microcap company in every sense of the word. This is as of Thursday, August 24th, midday. You can see they're up about 6.25% on the session, currently trading at 8.5 cents Canadian per share. They trade on the CSE here in Canada under the ticker symbol JKPT. And I've got a 1 month chart pulled up here. You can see they're trading relatively flat, really in that 8 to 8.5 cent range. Now, the other thing that's super exciting about Kings Entertainment Group is some big acquisition news that's really going to be the focal point of today's presentation. So I wanted to walk you guys through that. But before we do, for those of you who are maybe unfamiliar with this company, I quickly wanted to jump over to their website and give you guys a little introduction in terms of what Kings Entertainment is all about. So as you can quickly see, this is a gaming focused company here, you guys, the future of online lottery and casino gambling. As all forms of entertainment continue to move online, Kings Entertainment is positioning itself to become a leader in the online lottery and casino space. Now, I want you to hold that thought for a second here, you guys, because that's really only scratching the surface in terms of what this company is all about. So as you continue to scroll down, you can see some various reasons to invest, along with their two key current brands, which is LottoKings and WinTrillions. Now, where this stock or story takes an exciting turn, you guys, is if we look at the most recent news, which came out on July 17th, it talks about Kings Entertainment announcing the closing of their acquisition of Braai AI technologies. Now, we're going to talk about Braai in more detail here, but this marks a significant and pivotal point in the company's history and opens them up to a huge potential opportunity, which is all the rage right now. And of course, that's AI, or artificial intelligence. So as you can see, Kings Entertainment Group, an international online service provider for both lottery and casino, along with sportsbook gambling, and the parent company of those two brands we just saw on their corporate website, LottoKings and WinTrillions, is pleased to announce, further to their initial news release back on June 16th, that they've completed the acquisition of all of the outstanding shares of Braai AI Technologies, which up until this point was a privately held company. Now, they then go on to talk about some of the details of the transaction itself, so I would encourage you guys to go in and take a look here at the specific numbers and timeline. However, if you continue to scroll down, you can see they then go on to give a summary of what Braai AI is all about. So Braai AI through ePeer is a leading provider of artificial intelligence or AI big data analytics solutions. Braai AI specializes in leveraging the power of AI to extract actionable insights from a vast amount of data, empowering businesses to make informed decisions. And they offer two different cutting-edge AI solutions tailored to address specific business needs, which include AI risk and AI marketing. And we're going to go on to talk about exactly what it is Braai AI is all about next in the presentation. But before we get into that next article, I did want to quickly mention in the Kings Entertainment investor presentation, if you scroll down to the 23rd page, you can see they specifically call out their acquisition strategy or acquisition growth strategy, which takes into account management's 60 years plus of experience in the M&A sector. And you can see they specifically call out growth through acquisition as a way to accelerate value for existing Kings Entertainment shareholders. So I thought that was definitely worth throwing in. I always like to see companies where management and executives deliver on their promises or their strategy for the organization. And in my opinion, that's exactly what they've done here with the acquisition of Braai AI. Now, the next article I wanted to draw your attention to actually came out on August 15th. It's entitled Kings Entertainment Provides Braai AI CEO Corporate Update. And this is where it gets really juicy to me as a prospective investor in this company. So you can see they call out some of the information we've already talked about. Braai AI recently was acquired by Kings Entertainment. They specialize in leveraging AI and big data to empower informed business decisions, which we just talked about in that last article. But what's incredible about this technology, you guys, is their proprietary algorithm has a 95% accuracy rate for predicting borrowers' financial behaviors. So it's really this proprietary algorithm and its accuracy paired with their ability to ingest big data and couple that with artificial intelligence that provides such a lucrative opportunity for Kings Entertainment through this acquisition. Now, the article then continues with an address from the CEO of Braai AI, talking about some of the past milestones up until this point. So you can see all the way back from 2018 to current, and then goes on to talk about some of the upcoming roadmap for the back half of 2023 and into 2024. So they really break it down into 6 key points here. The first being facilitating inclusion of an additional 150 million people who are currently unbanked by the end of 2024. So spreading financial opportunity to underserved communities, a focus on financial stability with annual savings estimated to be 50 million euros through a 20% reduction in default rates, targeting an increase in Braai AI's annual revenue to be in excess of $100 million by the end of 2027. So some forward-looking guidance there. Geographical expansion, so areas like Mexico, Colombia, Canada, Spain, Central and Eastern Europe, with plans for the United States, Brazil, and Africa in 2024. Venturing into new domains or verticals, including the insurance sector by 2024. Crafting their novel generation AI credit bureau online data to eventually be that cornerstone for comprehensive financial institution support. And then further strategic collaborations within the AI world or ecosystem globally. So definitely some exciting and bold growth plans for the foreseeable future. So now that we've learned a little bit about Kings Entertainment Group, the recent acquisition of Braai AI, and the future plans for this organization, I wanted to jump into the investor presentation from Braai and really give you guys some more detail about this business and its inner workings. So you can see that central focus, really a simple way to increase efficiency using their AI predictive system, which is based on behavioral data. Now, it's really no surprise to see the global AI market is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate in excess of 38% from now out until 2030. AI is literally everywhere right now, you guys. Every single conference call, earnings release, CEO commentary, it seems they're continuing to mention AI more and more. And we've really seen a lot of the big tech giants already starting to benefit from this boom. Now you can see they break down software is expected to account for 42% of the overall global AI market share, with machine learning technology representing the second largest category at 39% market share. And what's nice to see is they're actually expecting North America to remain a leader in the AI space out until at least 2030. Now, I just alluded to some of the big giants in the tech space already benefiting from this AI boom. So you can see OpenAI, NVIDIA, obviously the chip maker, Salesforce, Google, Oracle, Microsoft, Amazon, just to name a few. However, at this point in time, there's no clear dominant player that controls significant share in the AI market. It's highly fragmented, really due to the wide number of applications and the fact that this is a relatively new market that's constantly and rapidly changing. And that's where Braai really comes into the equation. So Braai is a technology company, again, specializing in behavioral AI-based analysis using machine and deep learning, with the goal of gaining deeper insights into customer behavior that can then be used by various different organizations. So their vision is to create that flawless next generation behavior predictive system, ultimately making traditional data sources obsolete. The mission is to provide actionable insight, as we saw in the comments from the CEO, that fuel growth, enabling organizations to make informed decisions. So some of the various different use cases or sectors that could benefit from this technology in the onset, obviously banks, credit unions, fintech organizations, or insurance companies. Now, in terms of where Braai gets their data, and again, this is truly big data, you guys, over 3 million global websites, 1.5 billion global users, and 18 billion monthly events. that they're able to track and harness. So this could include things like website visits, article reads, mobile apps that you've used, e-commerce and marketplace purchases, web publishers, and geolocation features. And that's really going to give them a comprehensive view of each customer's intent and interests online, whether that's technology, tourism, sports, real estate, parenting, you name it. They can leverage this data and their proprietary AI model to get a much more accurate look at the consumer or customer for these organizations. And that's exactly how the process works. So again, they take this various different data collected through the sources we just mentioned, they process it in their predictive model, and then the output would be the solutions that can be used for marketing, credit risk scoring, collections, or insurance. Now, because this is such an exciting and rapidly growing space, there obviously is going to be competition. You can see a few of the direct competitors on the screen here. So CredOLab, FinScore, Signify, and Nikita. However, Braai Technologies has a specific competitive advantage because they have so many different data points for each customer, so over 3,000 data points for each customer. It's fully integratable with the client's existing analytical infrastructure, and they can derive a credit score, which is going to increase approval rates and decrease defaults, which is obviously an extremely valuable and actionable outcome. So by 2026, you're looking at an approximate $148 million of annual recurring revenue, $12.8 million of monthly recurring revenue, and a gross margin in the neighborhood of 82%, which is another reason why this could be such a lucrative investment opportunity. Now, the final thing I'll leave you guys with as it relates to Kings Entertainment is an article that was put out on the 10th of August by Tradingwire.com talking about some of these hot pure play AI-focused companies. So the article talks about many of the points we covered in today's video, the origin of Kings Entertainment, some of the recent activity we've seen from Blue Chip and the Fang Gang companies in the AI space, and the fact that this is a trend that's here to stay with an impressive compound annual growth rate, again in excess of 38%, estimated out to 2030. Now, as the article continues to go on, you can see they then call out some of the specific advantages or reasons to have King Entertainment on your radar, with the acquisition of Braai AI Technologies giving them that pure play exposure to the AI space. So from there, they then talk about Braai AI in a little bit more detail and the ways in which Braai and their proprietary technology can help customer segmentation through artificial intelligence, which again is going to increase revenues, reduce customer acquisition costs, and increase marketing ROI, which are obviously vastly beneficial for companies that are able to leverage this data. And I'll leave a link to this article in the video description below. So for those reasons, you guys, I'd be super curious to hear your thoughts on Kings Entertainment and their recent acquisition of Braai AI. And this is one that I know I'll definitely be watching in the artificial intelligence sector. Now, if you're still watching the video at this point, feel free to hit the like button, you guys. Hopefully you found some value. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, McNallie Money, we'd love to have you as part of the community. And with that being said, that's all for now. We'll see you in the next video.